Hello and welcome to Pelican Pete. And there he is right there, and right there, my friends. Hey, this is an on your own problem, so you should have solved the entire problem on your own, my friends. And now you're just watching this video to make sure you did everything correctly. Without further ado, let us move on to our scenario. Pelican Pete lives on a golf course. He waits for the golfers to hit the ball, then he tries to catch it in his outstretched beak. 742 golfers hit 8,356 balls the other day. Pelican Pete caught 3,824 balls. How many did he miss? Alrighty, my friends. Well, how many did he miss? That's asking us to figure out the difference between the balls that were hit into the air and the ones that Pelican Pete caught, right? So we're going to subtract 8,356 minus 3,824. So let's just go ahead and do that right here. And we've got 8,356, and we're subtracting 3,824. Superb, my friends. All right, so now, first thing I want to do is look for any trouble coming. So I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so I can work a little better. And once again, you can either go from this way to this way, or you can go backwards. Either way is fine. I've got no trouble coming here. I've got trouble coming here, so I'm going to borrow from that 8. I'm going to turn that 8 into a 7 and turn this 3 into 13. And then I'm going to look for any more trouble coming. I got none there, and I got none there. So I am all done. I'm good to go. And I'm going to use a dot method. And with the dot method, you're going to start on the bottom number and count up to the top number, making a dot each time. So here we go. Starting with 4 and 5, 6. So I've got 2 there. So I'm going to make a 2 right there. Superb. And then I'm going to start here on the 2, and I'm going to count up to 5. So 2 and 3, 4, 5, and that is 1, 2, 3 dots. So 3 is my answer. I'll circle that and drop my 3. And then I'm going to count here from the 8 up to 13. So 8, and here we go. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Bam! I've got right here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm going to circle that and then drop my 5. And then I've got my last one counting from 3 up to 7. So 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7. And that is 1, 2, 3, and 4 dots. So I will drop my 4. And lo and behold, there you have it, my friends. 4,532 is your answer. Hey, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all. Remember, simply pause the video, fix your mistake. That is the fastest way to learn. But let's go back here and look here and see how many or what this answer is actually pertaining to. And it says that these golfers, 742 of them, hit 8,356 balls into the air the other day. Pelican Pete caught it in his little beak here and his big stretchy mouth. He caught 3,824. How many did he miss? He missed 4,532 of those golf balls, my friend. Hey, let's move on to our second problem here. And here we go, my friends. Pelican Pete is loved by all the golfers. Wow, that's surprising because he's stealing their balls. Even though he sometimes wrecks their game. At the end of 18 holes, the golfers always give Pelican Pete a bit of their lunch. Oh, that is very nice. Pelican Pete ate 3,749 ounces of shrimp salad and another 2,865 ounces of salmon delight. Ooh, that is lovely. How much food has Pelican Pete eaten? All right, well, this is an addition problem because he ate this many ounces, and that's the key there, right? The and means plus, right? and then another 2,865 ounces of the salmon, right? So let's go ahead and add these two bad boys up. So I'm going to first just write them down, 3,749, and I'm going to be adding 2,865. Superb, my friends. All right, super. Now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the smaller of the two numbers and make that many dots, right? Because I'm using the dot method, my friends. So I'm going to make 5 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? And then I start on the 9 and just count up. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So I'm going to circle that, drop my 4, and carry my 1. Now, I've got 6 and 4, so I'll make 4 dots. So I've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 dots. And here we go. Starting on the 6, can't forget that 1 that you're added, right? So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So I'll circle that, drop my 1, and carry my 1 right there. And then I've got 8 and 7 and the 1, right? So I'll make 7 dots. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then I simply start on the 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So I will circle those, drop my 6, and carry my 1. And then I've got 2 dots here. I'll make them right over here, 1 and 2. And then I'm going to start on the 3 and count 3, 4, 5, and 6. And circle the dots, drop my 6, and lo and behold, there you have it, my friends. 6,614. That is your answer. And that is how many ounces of food Pelican Pete has eaten in all. And hey, that's a lot of shrimp salad and salmon delight. Lovely, my friends. Hey, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, you know by now. Pause that video, fix your mistake. That is the fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon.